today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite toys, but before we start this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! So now it's time for toy number 1. So the toy I'm about to show you is really soft and cute, and she looks like this. So as you can see, she has soft purple fur and it's really fluffy, and she also has this green and blue tail, which is really soft too. Okay, so also her name is Rosa, as you can see here, and her birthday is on January the 23rd, so that is soon. And she also has this rainbow horn, which I love because I love rainbows, and glittery rainbow eyes. I think they're really cute. And she also has a pink and purple hair and purple ears, and it's sparkly on the inside, if you can see. And she also has the same purpley sparkly feet and a cute little pink smile, which I really love, and that's what makes her so cute. Okay, now it's time for toy number 2. So toy number 2 is actually a squishy, and it's like a rainbow animal, but I don't know what animal it is. Do you guys know? So the back is lumpy for some reason, like really lumpy, as you can see. And once again, it has a horn, like the last toy, and 2 ears, and a cute little face. And now I'm going to show you how squishy it actually is. Okay, so this toy is actually one of my favorites. And now I'm going to show you what happens when I squeeze it. So I'm going to squeeze it into a ball. As you can see, it's very squishy. Okay, now I'm going to watch it rise. Wow, I like watching it rise. It looks cool. And now I'm going to squish it flat like a pancake. I'm gonna need to stand up for this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna make it as flat as I can. Okay, I'll watch it rise in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that actually looks so cool. It's still going. Wow. Okay, now I think it's time to move on to toy number 3. So this toy is small, but I fell in love with it at first sight. So this is what she looks like. She's a pixie Hatchimal, and she's really beautiful, and I love her accessories. I'll show you her up close. So as you can see, she has this purple heart stand that she's standing on, and it's like it has glitters inside it, which I really love. Oops. And she has this like green flowery headband, and I love these. She has these orange glasses that look really good on her, and she's wearing some golden boots, and she has a blue glittery dress, which I really love, and she looks so good in it. My favorite part about her is actually her purple glittery hair. So she has 2 buns, and I just really love it. I just think like it looks really good. It's time to move on to toy number 4. So the next one's not really a toy, but I use it as a toy. Like I use it for role plays. So the next kind of toy is a Russian nesting doll. I don't think it's actually meant to be a toy, and this one's kind of hard to open, and if you open it, it like makes a squeaking sound, so it might take a while for me to open it. So let me show you the squeaking sound. Gosh, I can't open it now. Why isn't it opening? Did you hear that? Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. We have the whole family here. So, let me see. This is the grandma doll. Oh, wait, I need to move them into the middle. The grandma doll, the mother doll, the big sister doll, the little sister doll, and the baby sister doll, which I really like because she's really cute. And as you can see, they get smaller every time until this tiniest little one. And it's really cute, and I love doing role plays with them. Like, I pretend they're like a family, like this. And maybe they can like be taking care of the little baby. Okay, now it's time to put them back. So start with the smaller ones. Yes, that one didn't squeak this time. Okay. Oh, that one kind of squeaked a bit. We just put them in really quick. Oh wow. Now the bigger ones are squeaking. Oh no, please say this one doesn't squeak as loud as it did before. Oh yes, it didn't squeak that much. I was covering my ears. Now it's time for the fifth toy. The next toy is a puzzle I got from Chester Zoo, and it's 30 pieces. It's not too easy and not too hard. Okay, so I think I have enough puzzle pieces because I did this like a few days ago. Actually, I think a week ago, and I counted 30 pieces, so I don't think I'm missing any. So now I'm going to solve this puzzle. I've done it before. So let me just find a corner. I can't find a corner. Oh, I found a corner, so that goes in this corner. Where are the other corners? What? So I finally finished the puzzle, and in this corner it says Chester Zoo because I got it from there. And there's 4 giraffes being fed. Even though I've done it like a few times already, it's still fun to do. Okay, it's time for the 6th toy. Toy number 6, well, toys number 6, are these little figures. I'll show you them one by one. So I have this brown one. It's like a fairy cat thing. And it looks like this. This is one of my favorite figures, and it's really cute. And this is a Hatchimal. It's a green mermaid dragon bird thing. I don't know what it is, but it's green and it looks like that. And there's also a green pony or horse. Wait, no, it's not. It's a Pegasus, I think. And I think it's like a queen because it has a crown. And there's also this like, it kind of looks like a fire fairy, and it looks like this. It's really cute. And this is another Hatchimal. It's like a bird on a skateboard, and the skateboard can come off too. And there's this little seahorse thing, a magical seahorse thing, I don't know. And the last one is this cute rose fairy, and I really like it. That's also one of my favorites. Okay, so toy number 7 is a toy I sleep with every night, and she is my unicorn teddy. Her name's Fluffy, and she's from Despicable Me. So she's wearing these sweets pajamas. It looks very yummy, and she also has this little hood that she can put on, and she has pink hair and a pink tail too. And I'm going to put her hood back on since it's cold. And then she can be nice and warm at night. There you go. And her face is so cute. Look at that. And she's so cuddly, and I really love her. Now it's time for my favorite part, the rating time. Okay, so first I'm going to do my unicorn teddy Fluffy. I mean, she is my favorite, so of course, she's a 10 out of 10. Now I'm going to rate this squishy. I mean, it is really good and I like it, so I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. And I already know what I'm going to give these minifigures. Of course, a 10 out of 10 because I never get bored of them actually, and they're really fun to play with. Next, I'm going to rate these Russian nesting dolls, and yeah, they're good, but I'm gonna give them a 7 out of 10. Still a good score because I like them. Now it's time to rate Rosa. I'm gonna give her a 9 out of 10. And last but not least, this Pixie Hatchimal. I really like it, and it's also a toy-free doll, so I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Oh wait, I almost forgot about this puzzle. It's really fun to play with, and I could do it over and over again for years, so I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Well, that's the end of my video, and I hope everyone enjoyed. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. See you in my next video. Bye!